What are we gonna make? What the? ¿Dónde estás?
Jugando birria.
Yes, we're gonna
¿Qué es
make
birria?
We're gonna make birria. Ooh. And I was really kind of aiming for menudo. Yo quería menudo. Y tú sabes que yo quería menudo.
Yeah.
Pero, cause yesterday I made tinga de pollo with tostadas. Then today we're making birria. No, estás bien preocupada.
What?
Because I don't know if it's gonna be if it's gonna be ready on time.
What?
La birria.
Well, that's what we're getting right now.
Oh yeah, but by the time that we eat it, it's gonna be like 10.
10?
That's how I feel. I don't know. Es que se tarda
It's
también.
quick.
No,
It is.
se tarda.
No, it's not.
But right now we are gonna go on our way to the store to buy all of the ingredients that we need for the birria, and hopefully changuitos that it comes out really good, because this is my first time making it. I've never done birria, pero porque mi niño quiere birria, we're gonna do the birria.
Bam! Thank you for wanting birria. I want
You're-
birria too.
I'm talking about you. Okay. Que tú quieres birria. ¿Estás preocupado? Like, if this birria doesn't come out good?
No. Me le puedo echar chile y ya cambia el sabor. Y if you do the quesabirria, it's different. The flavor changes a lot.
You know, do you think I know how to cook or no?
Yeah.
Oh, piensas de que I suck at cooking.
No. I like to make a lot of food.
Huh?
I like to make a lot of food and
So-
experiment on food.
So I can get married? ¿Con quién?
You want to get married with someone? I don't know who.
Okay, we just stopped to the store. We came to the store now. Y hay una fila that there's like a big ass line to go inside the grocery store. Oh, me da una flojera, literally, to
No,
go and make some
fruitless.
line. Pero yo creo que sí. Aunque no, there's no, ¿cómo dice? Mira, oh my god, hasta acá está la... No me digas, oh, I'm like, no me digas que se va hasta allá, porque around, because I'm gonna die right now. Oh, but yes, look at that line. Damn, I don't want to make that line. I'm sorry, pero I don't want to make that line. I know
Sorry, not sorry.
that we shouldn't be going out, pero I don't know. It was this was a last minute thing. No, ayer vinimos this time. Ayer vinimos a esta hora and there wasn't no line. Well, también porque no había mucha gente. There wasn't like a lot of people in there, so that's why there wasn't no line, obviously. Pero Burlington. It's so sad that we can't go to Burlington anymore for the moment. Yeah, so we came yesterday to the grocery store that we usually go to. Y no había nada. Like, there was no line. There was very, very few little people in there. So I guess that's why there wasn't much line to make to get in. But right now, está retacado. Yeah, so there was no line to get in. But this is crazy. I hopefully... No, pues aquí nunca se hace línea.
No.
No, bueno. Ay, so we're gonna get... Lo malo es de que aquí, we're here at Food for Less, and the only bad thing is that que aquí no hay carne... O sea, there is a carnicería, but it's not open, and...
Not open?
It's not open.
How do you know?
Porque antier vine, cuando venimos.
They won't open it for a certain limit.
I mean, they have carne, pero they don't have like a carne. The carnicería is not open.
So it's better more ir a otro lugar. Are you gonna get list of vegetables aquí?
Yeah.
Or go somewhere to get the other food. lip it.
You.
You ugly baby.
What the heck that bunny's doing?
¿Cuál bunny?
Yung bunny.
He's gonna take you. He's waiting for your bum. Then go with them. Go, go.
No!
Go.
No, open the door!
Oh my god.
Can I go get fed?
You guys fight too much. I'm not gonna tell you guys that I'll see you at the store because I tried to film at the store. I got a little shy, like I couldn't. I couldn't film at the store because I felt kind of awkward and weird y con poquita pena. So, la verdad no voy a hacer film in there.
Pero no talk English español. Spanglish.
Okay, so I'm not gonna film in there because I don't want people look at me. I don't want people looking at me like what is this girl doing? What, like, you know, cuckoo girl and all of that.
They're gonna be like saying, I think she got the coronavirus because she's recording herself.
Sure. So I'll just see you guys once I get home. Porque, like I said, I'm not gonna record in there. This man does not help me record, so I am recording all by myself, looking like a weirdo, trying to get angles over here. Trying to get them angles, so I'm recording.
Maybe Tony's house.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, so we have this stuff in here. I already have my water. It's not on yet, but I have my water here. And then we have the carne. This carne is a diezmillo de res, and it's in trozos. So it's like we bought like 3 trozos of these. We have our ingredients, which a lot of spices. Y luego también las cebollas and el cilantro. And other stuff as well. Okay, I already turned on mi estufa. Ahora I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them into pieces. Okay, y'all see how I'm ponerlos? We're gonna put them like this big.
What's going on? Don't worry, I'm fine. You let all the sheep out. Hey! Get back in there! Come on!
We're just gonna make this not that big.
Oh, you went into the woods.
You, come with me. Where are we?
If you're asking if I already washed my meat, I actually did. So don't come at me saying I didn't, because I actually did.
No! No, I'm not! Now you're talking.
And that carne that I bought is the diezmillo. To be honest, I didn't know which one I had to get. I just got the diezmillo. I just told the carnicero to give me the carne for the birria, and he gave me this one. So I'm just gonna put it like that. Okay, creo que se va a llenar. And let me take off some water. Okay, so we have now our carne in there. We're gonna put cebolla and like a whole cebolla and also a whole head of garlic. And mensami, I peel it off. I literally peel it all off, and you could have just like added in there with the cascara and everything, but I did that. Oh well. Va a agarrar mejor sabor. Anyways, okay, so this is it, and then we're gonna just let that until it's boiled, and we'll come back and add salt to it. birria is prepping. I'm gonna go ahead and do an iced coffee. I'm making it right now, so you can see, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it right now. And I did one last night, and I did one for my both sisters-in-laws and I, because we always play this game that's what's it called? Continental. In Spanish it's called Continental, but I made some last night as well, and because I had made some sugar cookies, and then my sister-in-law brought some donuts, so it was a good pairing to kind of like eat it and drink it with. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm mixing the mix for dalgona. What's it called? There's dalgona. I don't know what it's called, guys. Like, don't come for me for that. But I'm doing the mix for the topping. I literally shouldn't be drinking this drink because this is super sugary and I get bloated so fast. So I don't know, but I like it. It tastes so good. Pero toma mucho tiempo en hacerlo. That's the only thing I hate about it. Like, it toma mucho tiempo en hacerlo, but I mean, you drink it like that in seconds. Guys, look at the birria. It's almost done. It just needs to get a little tender. It needs to get a little bit tender, but look at the birria, dude. What? Yeah, so we just need to let this get a little tender. And my suegra also made some arroz. Hi guys, okay, so we just finished eating. Oh my god, I am still full, even though comimos like at 8. Right now is what?
About to be 10.
10. No comimos a las 8. ¿Qué comimos? Las 7, ¿no?
No, well, yeah, almost on 7 something. 10:50,
So like we ate kind of late, but what I mean, because we started everything very late also, and I told them like we should have done this way earlier because it does take a lot of time. I'm full because me comí 3 tacos. How much? Oh, he ate 4. No, he just had 4 tacos de birria, and I had 3 tacos de birria plus the consomme and all of that, which it was really good. The only thing that le faltó is sal and a little bit of the chilito. But I don't want to make it spicy because I don't know if the kids were going to eat it or not. And it was my first time making it. So I didn't want to make it as spicy. Like, tell me your true honesty. Did you like it? Or was it like,
it was good.
Whatever.
It was good.
Pero like...
It was good. It was good.
It was like, or it was like, fuck, it's bomb. O no tan así.
It was good. I can't say it's bomb because toda la biryani you can't say it's the bomb. Not even like the biryani.
It was alright.
No, it was good.
Okay, well, he says it was good. It was a 8 from a 10. 8 or 9.
Yep.
From a 10, so we'll try next time because it's like my first time, and being my first time, to be honest, it wasn't that bad. Like, no estaba tan mal, but I know probably I could have done a little bit better. I don't know. So I know I did not record my after of the pozole, of the birria. So I know I did not show you guys like the end of my birria, but it's because everybody was so hungry, plus I was hungry, and I know it was gonna take a little bit more doing the quesadillas, so I just wanted to like quickly do everything. But I do have pictures and also like boomerangs that I made to post on my Instagram, and I will post them here as well so you guys can see those. Let's look at my my lashes are like hella ratchet. You can even see the glue. That's like super ratchet. But But my makeup look cute today, to be honest. Did it look cute or no? What is?
It's kind of tired.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Homie, I'm tired.
I know. But like, I feel tired because I really don't do anything.
Oh, this is better machine. Okay, so someone was very thoughtful. Y me trajeron unos hashiros, fries. And some of these ones, which these ones are my favorite. I used to eat these a lot. But then some other ones, the ¿cómo se llaman? ¿Huh? Los, ¿así llaman?
Yeah,
Oh my god. These are my favorite too. Like, I love these and I die for these. And also these ones. I used to eat these, like I said, a lot. Casi todos los días. Every time I would go to the store, I would get a pack of those. This beautiful man right here. He was very thoughtful. ¿Por qué? Porque pones la cara así. No? You're not beautiful? You're not thoughtful? Yeah? Or you're not beautiful? What are you?
I'm ugly.
You're ugly? Fugly ugly?
Mm-hmm.
Fugly ugly?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna be eating some of those tonight. Right now that we're gonna be playing Continental. Are we gonna play?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're gonna play again, guys. We play it mostly every night. We try to, because obviously everybody works, so we try to play every night. And it's so entertaining, and it's so like te hace pensar de más, and it hurts my brain a lot.
You, not us.
Well, it's because okay, I don't want to go into detail with it, pero yeah. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys all like this vlog, cooking with me some good birria for my baby right here, mi bebito, mi niño aquí. And yeah, I didn't do the whole recipe because it was just gonna be so long, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. And like I said, I'll insert pictures here so you guys can see how bomb and how good the birria came out. And I'm very, very proud of myself. Are you proud of me?
Yep.
Yeah? Because I try to make birria for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching and following me today. I appreciate y'all. And if you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Any other recipes you want me to do, go ahead and comment them, because this quarantine just got me doing a lot of stuff and a lot of cooking. So let's see which is my next recipe. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.